to importance of leisure activities. What is the importance of leisure activities? At least tell me a point. Somba, where is your mind? Yes. Importance of a leisure activities. Tell me one. You're reading now. What are you reading? Kalonzo? Yes, to get rest. Kiburia. Importance of leisure. Now, Somba, you know importance of leisure. Yes, to enhance your health, yes, or to maintain health. It's called, I usually forget your names. This side, importance of leisure, Samuel. To serve others, yes. You wanted to say that one? At the back, those who are in the second desks, yes. Importance of leisure activities. Yes, to refresh their minds. Yes, Dennis. Yes, very good. It enables people to develop their talents and hobbies. At the back, the last person. Importance of leisure.
Leisure enables one to interact with other people and improve our social skills.
Yes, number one, it enables you to attend social occasions. So you are able to socialize with other people because it gives you time to go and socialize. You can attend a wedding and you're active because you're working. It also enables you, it gives you time to rest. You can be able to rejuvenate, it's called to rejuvenate your body. It also enables you, as we said, to develop your hobbies. Time for recreation. Yes, you can be able to travel, you visit relatives and friends. It enables you to acquire skills and knowledge. It is only during your free time where you can go and worship God. Most of us go to worship God. Like when you're supposed to, you are given a Sunday so that you can go to worship God, to rest. So you go to worship God or for fellowship. Also, you can use your free time to engage in income generating activities. Tell me how you can use your free time to engage in income generating activities. If you're using your free time to do what? Yes. If you're a footballer today, you're being paid, right? And that is your hobby. You can be able to generate income. Also, you regain lost energy if you're using your leisure time passively, like for example, sleeping, or you're just resting, just sitting down. Also, it gives you an opportunity to socialize with friends and family, also to serve others, and it gives you an opportunity to take care of the environment. If you use your leisure time to digging the shamba or cultivating, so you're taking care of the environment, or to also improve your health. If you're jogging or you're going to do an exercise, that means you're improving your what? Your health. So tomorrow we are going to do problems in choosing leisure.